Hi guys, in this video I will be demonstrating how to draw a straight line in Gimp. So firstly make new temple. Let's choose a color of the line. Select Paintbrush tool or pencil tool. Then select brush type, whatever we want. I will use this type. Left click to make a starting point. Press the Shift key and hold it to make a straight line. Do it again with another pencil type. I will use this type filter. You can also turn on grid to make a perfect straight line. Press the Shift key without releasing it and make the perfectly straight line. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.